Whenever it comes to mobile video editing, there are a lot of editing apps available in the market, but at the current time, 2 applications have come forward leaving all others behind, which are CapCut and Alight Motion. But here, one question arises. Which one should we use? Which application will be best for me? Let's keep this question aside for now, and directly pit these 2 applications against each other, and see which one becomes the winner. So, let's begin. Starting with the layering system. The layering system of both is totally different. Like in CapCut, if you want to change a layer, there is an option for layer, and you have to change it from there. Similarly, in CapCut, you need to open the on-forge options. Then it shows up. But if we talk about Alight Motion, here all the layers are shown together at the same time. If I want to change a layer, I can easily drag it from the side and change it smoothly. So, considering this, Alight Motion gets 1 point. Now, the next is trim and split. Here too, CapCut falls behind because there's only a single split or trim option. You can place the playhead at a specific point and split the clip. For example, if I don't need the beginning and ending parts of this clip and only need the middle part, then I'll have to manually give 2 splits, and then I can delete the beginning and ending clips. But in Alight Motion, there are some advanced tools. For example, if I don't want the later part of the clip, I just place the playhead there and tap the trim right icon, and that part disappears. Similarly, if I want to remove the beginning part, I just tap the trim left icon and my work is done. In CapCut, to stretch the timeline, we have to drag it manually. But in Alight Motion, you can stretch it with just a single click. So again, this point goes to Alight Motion. Well, in terms of transitions and effects, both applications are way ahead, because here you get plenty of professional transitions and effects. Talking about the winner, look, in CapCut, you get tons of pre-made transitions that are ready to use, but in Alight Motion, you have to do everything manually, which is a very time-consuming process. And when it comes to effects, again, CapCut has a huge collection compared to Alight Motion, but Alight Motion has some unique and advanced effects that are mostly available in PC software like After Effects. For example, bevel paper, turn matte glow squeeze, and the best one, the band effect, which lets us move a character's body. And there are many more. Look at these 2 rendered videos. Which one would you choose? Of course, the second one, right? Because even though both have the same glow effect, the results are totally different. That's what happens as compared to CapCut. So when it comes to effects and transitions, both get 1 point each. Now, CapCut can take the lead here, but that's for those who don't have time to spend on text editing, because as usual, CapCut provides tons of text templates that you can use with 0 effort. But if you're someone who wants to edit text at an advanced level, then definitely Alight Motion would be the perfect choice. But honestly, people don't usually waste much time on text editing. So, 1 point goes to CapCut. Now, the next thing is animation. And this is very important in video editing, because the smoother the keyframing is, the better the objects will look while moving. Both have the keyframing tool, but there's a slight improvement in Alight Motion. Like in Alight Motion, you can directly grab the keyframe point and move it around, just like PC level editing. But in CapCut, that's not possible. For example, if I've placed a keyframe in CapCut, and now I want it to be placed a bit further, I'll first need to delete it and then add a new keyframe. Second thing, the graph of keyframing in Alight Motion is way better than CapCut's, because here you get handles that you can easily use. In CapCut, there aren't many options for motion graphics. There's just a normal arrow tool and a basic brush tool. That's it. But Alight Motion is the king in this area. Here, you can design and animate all kinds of shapes at a PC level quality. So, this point goes to Alight Motion. Okay, so here, CapCut becomes the clear winner, because till date, Alight Motion doesn't have AI features, which is not good in the current time. They should have added it by now. Maybe they'll add it in the future. But for now, the winner is CapCut, because with it, you can generate AI images, AI videos, edit AI audio, auto-caption videos, video stylization, even remove video backgrounds instantly. Now the final battle, trending editing. Unfortunately, in CapCut, we don't get to see 3D environments, and because of that, an average editor remains average. With 3D editing, you can give an animation a realistic touch, just like After Effects. Even in my videos, mostly, I use 3D cameras to make the clips look like masterpieces. So, considering this, no doubt, Alight Motion gets 1 point. In CapCut, for masking, you get only a few predefined shapes, but in Alight Motion, you can create any custom mask you want, which is very useful for editing. So, this point also goes to Alight Motion. Now, let's talk about some missing features. Manually adding shadows, available in Alight Motion, not in CapCut. Slow motion, available in CapCut, not in Alight Motion. Copyright-free music. CapCut provides it, but honestly, don't use it. It's not truly safe. Stickers collection. CapCut has a huge library. Alight Motion doesn't. And there are a few more minor things that don't matter much. Now, let's talk about the final stage of editing. After this, our video will be ready to go. In video exporting, obviously, Alight Motion takes more time because its effects are very heavy. But CapCut wins here because its files are almost pre-made. They're not as heavy, so the export is faster. Now, let's look at the points and see who's the winner here. The winner is Alight Motion. I know it's not leading by many points, but trust me, the result you get from CapCut is 2 times better in Alight Motion. Final conclusion. Personally, I'd say CapCut is for people who don't have time and are okay with average editing. But if you want to become a pro editor, if you want clients to stick with you after seeing your first portfolio, then you should definitely go with Alight Motion, because the more creativity you put into Alight Motion, the better your motion graphics and animations will be. Obviously, you can use CapCut as a secondary tool, but with Alight Motion's 3D editing, you can charge clients a lot more for your work. And yes, speaking of 3D editing, if you want to learn 3D video editing, a lot of videos are coming soon, so stay tuned. See you in the next one. Bye.